Hello and welcome to our review of Zetta, a cloud backup service for enterprise. This review is brought to you by Technology Advice and the Smart Advisor tool, which lets you compare over 50 different cloud storage and backup companies in under 2 minutes. Zetta is a cloud backup service marketed towards large companies and enterprises and is designed around a centrally managed control scheme and can back up computers or servers. So ideally, you'll have an IT administrator or someone in the office who will deal with the web interface, where you make changes and decide what to back up and when you want to back up, and then the desktop software called Zetta Mirror really just sits in the background of the user's workstations, and there's no real options or even interface. It just establishes that data link between the workstation and Zetta's servers. So here's the dashboard. It's kind of the main page of Zetta's interface on the web, and you can see all the systems right here that you're mirroring. So we have our test PC, and then you'll have events, which is just updates from Zetta about any maintenance or updates to their service. An overview of your storage with how much space you've used and your read and write. And then any support cases that you might have filed or have recently been closed. The storage tab is going to show you a hierarchy of your data originating at the location it's being stored on Zetta's servers. So you have the data center where your data is residing. You can actually choose that when you set up your account, New Jersey or California. Then you have the volumes from the different computers you're backing up and exactly what you're connecting with, the protocols. Now you can go to Zetta Mirror, and that's going to show you just all the current systems that you're backing up. And if you click on any of those, you'll get a little more in-depth review. You can suspend any of their schedules. And if you click Advanced, it has some interesting options, such as you can artificially throttle their network upload speeds. You can also, there's a feature right here that will allow you when a user deletes a file off their computer, it will delete it from Zetta's servers as well. So obviously, that would be helpful if you have a lot of people making small changes, deleting Word files, but you might want to keep other ones permanently. Users, this will be where you can add, edit, or change the privileges for users and groups in the company. So again, there's a powerful central administration aspect of this software, and you'll really want one person probably managing it or a close team. And then the knowledge base has a lot of very technical advice on the best connection speeds to use, the best protocols for connecting the computers, and the best sort of mirroring file systems. And that's a pretty quick overview of Zetta's management system for enterprise. The pros, it's geared towards enterprise with those strong central administration features. It supports local and remote backup, so you can do a hybrid cloud system if that's what you want to implement. And individual users won't have to worry about configuring anything, nor can they really change anything from their computers, which is great if you're managing a lot of people who aren't tech savvy. The drawbacks of Zetta, it's not a file sharing or storage program like Dropbox. So if you're looking for a collaboration tool for small groups, this really isn't it. And there aren't any mobile apps right now, so there's no on-the-go file viewing or changing privileges, but you can do it from any web interface. Before you make any decisions on cloud storage, however, I recommend that you go to technologyadvice.com and look at the Smart Advisor tool. That's going to let you compare Zetta to over 50 different cloud backup and storage companies based on your business's unique needs. Thank you for watching this review of Zetta.